My name is Chris Noon, and I'm the Senior Category Director for Hardscapes. The SiteOne Castle Collection is a natural stone product that's been gauged correctly to allow for efficiently laying the products. From a contractor standpoint, a lot of contractors look at natural stone and sometimes it's irregular, it's not gauged right, and so we went out and sought a product that could be laid just like a concrete paver or more efficiently than, say, irregular natural stone. We've eliminated the need for multiple colors, created a streamlined process with our buff and our grays, which are really popular right now. And we added all the sizes on one pallet in the Castle Collection, which creates a really efficient job site logistics opportunity for the customers. Paver options on the natural stone side will give you a beautiful opportunity to create something. But with the Castle Collection, we saw, as it is gauged correctly, to allow for efficiencies to install the product, but also from a job site logistics standpoint, meaning we put all the products on the same pallet and it can get it into the backyard. So you're pulling off one pallet, making it more efficient. And then the last thing would be that we streamline the process. So all the products that go with the Castle Collection, the coping, the pillar, caps, all the things that you can really create with the craftsmanship of a contractor, it's in the Castle Collection offering. There's multiple sizes on one pallet, but larger in scale. And the key is the textures and the colors are more systematic to the products that are being specified and installed today. So we didn't deviate with what the market wanted. We continued to create what the market wanted, but just enhanced it with the Castle Collection. Go to siteone.com/hardscapes and look at our e-commerce platform. Look and learn more about the products. Actually order online if they would like. And we've made it somewhat easy.